This is a real radar system that can detect objects around it in real time, and today we are going to build it from scratch. First, let's look at the components. ESP32 Dev Module, Ultrasonic Sensor, MG90S Servo Motor, Breadboard and jumper wires. Now, let's put everything together. First, attach the ultrasonic sensor to the sensor holder. Now, mount the holder onto the servo motor horn. This allows the sensor to rotate and scan the surroundings. And just like that, our radar scanner mechanism is ready. Let's connect all the components. And now connect power and ground. Make sure all grounds are connected together. And you can follow the circuit diagram shown on the screen for the complete wiring. The complete project files are available on GitHub. Inside the repository, you will find both the Arduino code and the processing code. Open the Arduino code and paste it into the Arduino IDE. Then, open the processing code and paste it into Processing IDE. Now, connect your ESP32 to the computer using a USB cable. Select ESP32 Dev Module as the board. Choose the correct COM port. Now click Upload. Wait for the code to compile and upload successfully. And once the upload is complete, switch to Processing IDE. Click the Run button and now watch this. Our radar system is now live. As the servo motor rotates, the ultrasonic sensor continuously scans the surrounding area. Whenever an object is detected, its position and distance are displayed instantly on the radar screen. The data updates in real time, creating a working radar visualization similar to professional radar system. And that's how you can build your own ESP32 radar system.